Hey guys, it's Brandon again. What a week we've had. And I would usually say happy Saturday, but my goodness, if you're an investor, you are not happy on this Saturday. Wow. But you know what? It's part of it. You're going to have bad times, and the bad times, you just have to go through them. You have to tough it out because this is the American economy. Everything eventually recovers, but it's never fun when you're dealing with it. It's never nobody looks forward to bad times. And if you do, then you need to get help. But in today's recap, I'll just be discussing a handful of things that took place during this week. And by discussing these things, you can, save what you already have, protect what you have, and actually grow your wealth. You can see where we're headed and where we can potentially end up in the long run. So if you're stopping by to this channel for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to this content. First things first, there's this ongoing war in the Ukraine. Please pray for Ukraine. Wow. Not just Ukraine, Ethiopia, all the wars across the world. Pray. We need some form of miracle, some form of supernatural intervention at the moment because our world is is just crashing and burning right in front of us. Yes, wars have been happening throughout history, but it's never a good thing when innocent people are losing their lives. What is going on is a catastrophe and it's disgusting. Putin, Zelensky, it's just disgusting. Please pray for what is going on at the moment. With the war going on, it's creating further inflation, so prices keep going up. With prices going up, the Federal Reserve is stepping in and they're trying to raise interest rates so that, they can cool down demand a little and lessen inflation. Jerome Powell actually spoke. And Jerome Powell, for those who don't know, he's the chairman of the Federal Reserve. He spoke this week at the IMF and he basically said this, that in May at the next Fed meeting, they will raise that they won't. It's a possibility that they will hike interest rate by 0.50%. We were expecting, investors and the market was expecting that we will have seven hike rates of 0.25%. But he's saying that a 0.50% basis point is on the table. You saw what that did to the market. It caused the market to have an incredible sell-off this week. Many stocks hit their 52-week low. We saw the crypto mining currency sector get hammered, down 47% year to date. Banking sector, down. Big tech companies such as Apple, down over 11% year to date. Some of these companies are hitting lower bottoms. Now, it was the start of last week was the start of earnings week, so we're still in earnings season. The good thing is that Bank of America reported its earnings, and it said that based on its earnings, consumer balances are actually going up, and people's balance sheets look pretty strong. So, for the average person, it's literally that they're spending and saving, spending and saving. They're not creating wealth. Everything is basically the same way it's been for the last 40 years, which is neither good nor bad. It's stable. On top of that, other companies reported their earnings. Companies such as Tesla, incredible earnings report, incredible margins, over 30% margin. They were able to pass on their price hike to compete with inflation. And people are pouring money into Tesla. Great earnings report, strong balance sheet by Tesla at the moment. However, some of our companies did not do so well. One of our favorite companies, Netflix, my goodness, down 35% in one day. Astronomical sell-off in one day. Back to its 2018 mark. And the reason why that happened is because, Netflix is looked at as a hyper-growth company. The way the company grows is through subscription. Now, people are not subscribing to Netflix anymore. Number of things. They have a lot of competition with HBO TV, Apple TV, Disney Plus. All these streaming companies are competing heavily with Netflix, which is driving down the price at the moment. So they're losing subscribers. And the whole situation in Russia, they lost over 700 subscribers. So it is a great business. It's still a very profitable business. And we'll see how they adjust. We'll see how they work. Some investors are thinking this might be another Blockbuster situation. I don't think that's the case. But companies show their greatness, not in times of when everything is growing and going well, but when growth stops, when things are not stagnant. Other companies reported their earnings, such as the airlines, and they are looking really good at the moment. American Airlines reported American Express, pardon me, reported their earnings, and it showed that customers are still spending money. And processing fee charges are coming in still pretty well. So these are the good things that is happening in the American economy. It's a lot of uncertainty right now that is driving things down. People are selling, people want to protect their assets, which is very understandable because talks of recession are circulating. And is a recession possible? Absolutely. Will it happen? Time will tell. But in the meantime, continue to watch your spending, watch your saving, and watch your investments. It is okay to take profits off the table. Nobody have ever lost money by taking profits off the table. And it's also a great buying opportunity. The market is extremely oversold at the moment, and it's presenting a great buying opportunity. So if you have cash, start deploying some cash into your companies. No one can time the bottom of the market. All you have to do is continually dollar cost average and continually buy the investments you see fit for your long-term portfolio. So guys, this is my video here today. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and stay strong during this dark time. Take care.